Welcome back to Stellar Surfaces. On this particular project, we were working in a mid-century modern home in Hollywood, and the coating existing was an epoxy solid light aqua floor coating. It had aged and worn over time, so we were brought in, we removed all of the old coating and brought it back to the original concrete, and we began to grind the floor down, filling all the patches, cracks and holes, and we applied the first coat of clear epoxy that had a bonding and a sealing property to it. Then we began to overlay the custom color epoxy over the top to restore the original color back in place. And as you can see, it achieved a great restoration on this floor. The before and afters are stunning. The process in the middle shows just how far that the project was taken back and then brought back to restore the original. We hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have a similar project or an epoxy residential project coming up, please don't hesitate to call us today and ask one of our knowledgeable sales representatives for help and advice. Thanks for watching. Please see us on the next video.